In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for events in Google Calendar using Chrome. To get started, open Google Calendar in the Chrome browser. Once the page loads, give yourself a moment to make sure you're fully signed in and that your calendar interface is visible. This is important because the search feature works from the main Google Calendar view, where you can quickly look through existing events, appointments, reminders, or schedule entries without having to scroll manually through different dates. After Google Calendar is open, look toward the top area of the screen. In the utility header navigation bar, you'll find a magnifying glass icon. This is the search tool. Go ahead and click that icon. When you select it, Google Calendar will activate the search field so you can begin entering the event information you want to find. This feature is especially useful if your calendar is busy or if you're trying to locate something scheduled weeks or even months away. Next, type your target keyword search phrase or the exact event title into the text input box. You can search using a full event name if you know it, or just enter a keyword related to the meeting, task, person, or topic you're looking for. As you type, try to be as specific as possible for faster and more accurate results. For example, using a distinctive word from the event title can help narrow things down more efficiently than using a very broad term. Once your phrase is entered, Google Calendar will use that search to pull up matching calendar items associated with your schedule. This makes it much easier to find what you need instead of manually checking each day or week on the calendar view. If your first search doesn't show the exact event right away, you can slightly adjust the wording and try a more precise variation of the title or keyword. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar in Chrome, click the magnifying glass icon in the top navigation area, and type in your target keyword or event title in the search box. It's a simple but very effective way to save time and quickly locate the events you need inside Google Calendar.